sometimes lawyers have to get off cases because conflicts exist, right? As a lawyer, you have to advocate for your client. You have to represent your client to the best of your ability. If I'm on a criminal case, right, and my client was arrested for robbery, right, and my client is saying it wasn't me, it was actually person two who did it. Well, I can't also be representing person two, because what if I'm representing person two and person two is like, actually it was person one? So how do I go to court, right, saying my client's innocent because it was actually the other client? It's a conflict, right? And I can lose my license in that type of situation if I were to go forward. Now, in some situations, clients can waive the conflict, but it's a case-by-case scenario. Every state has different rules and different ethical rules regarding that. There's general guidelines that lawyers go by with the ABA, American Bar Association, but each state passes their own rules regarding it. So lawyers in each state have to follow those rules because it's different, and every situation is different. There are a lot of crazy situations when it gets into ethics of law. Another conflict might be where a business represents, let's say a law firm is representing McDonald's. Let's say that same law firm is also representing Subway, okay? Represents the local Subways in the area. Well, what if the local Subway wants to sue the local McDonald's, and that law firm is representing both of them? There's going to be a conflict in that situation. So the law firm is going to have to lose a client in order to avoid the conflict, right? In reality, in that situation, if there's potential for litigation, law firms do what's called conflict checks to see how things go, and there's people assigned to vet certain things before they even take on a client. Because why start going down this line of business of billing and charging if ultimately they're going to run into issues? So sometimes lawyers can't represent people due to conflicts that exist, right? Every case is different, every situation is different, but it does happen.